for real. I was jamming, and it's actually happening. This is the actual real-time earthquake. Holy cow. Yeah. This is okay. All right. Yeah. Might as well just keep filming, I guess. Huh. What do you think? Here comes the announcement. Maybe my cell phone's gonna go off in a second. Let's see. Maybe that is my cell phone. Oh, I guess that's it. All right, thanks for joining me in this earthquake adventure. That was pretty crazy. Got it on camera. All right, 2005. Yeah,